right, here's another great looking full-sized Cadillac. Now available to purchase at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1991 Cadillac Brougham. Dale against. Nice part about this car, it is powered by the 5.7 liter Chevrolet derived V8 underneath the hood, paired with the automatic transmission. Of course, all the other Cadillac features and goodies you get. Other thing that is very nice about this car, a little over 42,000 original miles on it. Clean Carfax, no damage indicated, no accidents indicated. Nice looking car. From when I've been around it, it appears to be the original paint. Does show its age just a little bit, but overall, very, very nice condition, as you can see by the reflection in the hood. The luster of the black paint. Has a light gray interior, leather. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can check out the condition of the paint, the interior, the underside, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. If you take a look down below in the description of this video, there's also a link on there. You can click on that. That's going to take you to our website. Riding on the spoked wheels. White walls, nice looking combination of early 90s Cadillac. Full vinyl roof. A-pillar to rear. Courtesy lights on the B-pillar, as well as the chrome. And again, you can see how nice the bright work and the chrome is on this car. Take a look, quick look at the interior, and I'll get around to the driver's side, open it up too, but you cannot see any cracks, anything in the dash like you see so often when they've sat out in the sun, or they got a lot of miles on them, or age, or not taken care of. This car appears to be well taken care of. Again, like I said, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, no damage indicated. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Slip around to the rear of the car, and again, you can see that paint has a nice luster to it. The vinyl top is not full of rips or tears or any sort of fading for that matter. It's a nice overall car. Something you see lots of times too is these panels kind of around the gas. You got the gas fill back here, but they have a filler panel back here. You'll see that cracked lots of times. Good shape on this one. Once again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, click on the link. That's going to take you to our website. And once again, we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Another filler panel back here, and I believe these may have been replaced along the line somewhere just because they're in such nice shape, is from the body here, body right here, to the chrome rear bumperette, or where the headlight is. This filler panel here lots of times wears, cracks out, it's faded. Great shape on this car. Let's take a look at the other side while I'm talking about it here. Like I said, I believe those may have been replaced, but they're in nice shape. And again, chrome and bright work, also in nice shape on this car. Take a look up and down it. In black, you can see how straight it is. Notice there was one little, if I can get it to show up, let me show you. There's one little, I don't even know if I can get it to show up. Right here. One little tiny ding there. But otherwise, look up and down the side of this for a black car, and as long as it is, very nice condition. And again, you can see the reflection behind me and off the car too. So those chrome wheels, great shape. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Door panel, nice shape. Power seats, of course, power windows. The split front bench. As you can see, the De Elegance insignia here. And I believe the pillow-topped, pillow cushion seats is part of that package. I'm going to reach in and go ahead and start this up too here a second. Car starts easily. I noticed too, as in this one before, you can hear the AC compressor kick on and off. The AC was blowing cold. Take a look at the miles. 42,015 miles. And as you can see, no warning indicators, warning lights or anything like that on the dash. This here is the fasten seatbelt light, since I don't have that on. And again, you can see that no cracks in the dash, what have you there. Show you something else, and this does appear to be a factory option. Up here, there is a power moonroof option. Works very well. No sign of leakage. You would see that show up in the headliner right away. That is all functioning. And then there is the slider if you want to cover up the glass so you're shaded, in case you don't want the sun coming through there. But cool option on the Cadillacs. Rest of the headliner back here, also in nice shape. Passenger seat, you can just tell by the wear on the seats, not a lot of wear. Like I said, 42,000 mile car. Slip around to the back here. So nicely the door closes there also. Slip around to the back. Just smooth running Cadillac, not smoking. No sounds out of the ordinary, just regular stock exhaust on there. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second while I pop this hood. I want to show you the engine bay and check out how neat and tidy that is also. Wow, take a look at this. Nice it is under here. Again, 5.7 liter. It's a Chevrolet derived V8 underneath there. It's a power plant everybody wants in these. Power steering, power brakes. Again, all the goodies. AC. The AC was blowing cold. The compressor was turning on and off. I don't have it on now, so you're not going to hear it turn on and off. But again, just take a look at how nice and clean this is. What you'd expect out of a 42,000 mile Cadillac. So there you go. 1991 Cadillac Brougham de elegance. Black with gray interior, right on those beautiful chrome wheels. A little under 40, or a little over 42,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com, or click on the link down below in the description. That'll take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.